Hello friends, when you try to call someone another person cannot hear you, because of your phone's microphone. Then this video is for you. I will guide you, how to fix iPhone's microphone not working problem. Don't skip the video so you don't miss anything. At the end of video I hope your microphone problem will be fixed. This method can be applied to all iPhones. So without wasting time, let's get started. In order to fix this problem, open settings of your iPhone. There are two types of problem: software related and hardware related. First I will tell you about solving a software related problem, then we will move towards hardware related problem. Open settings of your iPhone. In settings, there is general option, click on it. Make sure that there is no software update available. If yes, then update it. Sometime problem is because of bug, updating might solve this. If still facing problem, then go to transfer or reset iPhone option and open it. Click on reset. Don't worry, there will be no loss of your data. It is safe. There is option reset all settings. You have to reset all settings. There will be no loss of your data, videos or photos. It will just reset the settings. If there is any problem in settings, then it will be fixed. After doing this, your problem will be solved. Now your microphone will work perfectly. If your phone has hardware-related problem, then you can't fix by your own. You have to go to market in order to solve that problem. I hope this video helps you fix your problem. Like, share and subscribe to Jug Our Expert for more helpful and informative videos. Thanks for watching.